Who invented the washing machine? In the beginning, clothes were washed in wooden or iron tubs. Rubbing soap on them cleaned the clothes. In the year 1858, Hamilton Smith invented the first washing machine. He was a resident of Pennsylvania, USA. A crank controlled this machine. When the crank was rotated manually, the paddles inside started rotating in random motion, thus cleaning the clothes. After many years, in the year 1907, the first electric-operated washing machine was invented. This washing machine was more efficient and strong, but experiments to invent a better washing machine continued. Afterwards, in 1937, the fully automatic washing machine was invented. It required about 150 liters of water, and the temperature was kept between 55 to 70 degrees Celsius. This machine was only capable of washing. Such a machine could not perform the action of drying. In the year 1953, the first combined washer-dryer machine was introduced in the market.